Yeah, we have reached Sawdong Falls, Sawdong, Linxiar, Deniler, and a few more. You just see it. The last time I came here, there was nothing. It was all wilderness, but I'm very happy to see this place like this. At least some sort of information is there. Last time I had to go there. The road is too bad, you can see. But this time they have made it a little better. Yeah. Let's go inside. Yeah, we have reached, man. Say hi. The station. I don't know, man. Let's.
It's just right in front. No?
Yeah. No, I think we're gonna track the entire river stretch. I mean, there's a huge difference, man. Last time when I came here, there was nothing, no people, no road. This time I can see at least they have made proper arrangement for the tourists to walk.
There have been changes, no?
Yeah, it's welcome changes, man. At least you feel safe to walk like this, no, in this kind of place. I like these steps they have made here with the stone. Lovely, wow.
These are more Sohra, man.
Mau
You
Sohra.
cannot get these stones from anywhere else, no? You get them from Sohra.
Really? These are Mau Sohra. Mau means stone and Sohra means Cherrapunji. A special stone from Cherrapunji. This is what it feels like to walk in the nature. A bit of trekking, windy, a little bit sun, the smell of rural India. These local ladies are catching something. What are they catching?
This is a caterpillar.
Caterpillars.
Not caterpillar.
दीदी इससे खुजली नहीं होता है?
कुछ होता नहीं है मालूम नहीं I don't know.
खुजली होता है?
नहीं हाँ हम लोगों को खाते नहीं आता है
Pit side.
सुनो करो
Side, I'm sorry.
या है ना
Hey, what are these things called in Khasi metal?
Nyang BAMPHLANG man.
Nyang Mau Plang.
Nyang BAMPHLANG man.
Nyang BAMPHLANG. Oh, bam.
That is grass.
Oh, Nyang means insect, right?
Oh God, yeah,
These ladies are searching for this something that looks like caterpillar. It's a local delicacy, I believe. Hey, it's so beautiful that side, yeah? I think we should have gone from there or what? Oh yeah. We can go down from here, right? Seems like we have reached one of the waterfall here. Hey, what is the name of this waterfall? This is Sawdong. Sawdong. The first waterfall on our track.
You've been here, no?
No bro, I have not been here. I've been only to Deniler, which is I think after this. After this Deniler fall is there, I have been there.
You've been here,
No, not here.
but you have not gone there.
I was scared, man. Alone. At least I got one waterfall. Can you imagine me walking here alone like this? People think I'm crazy here. Or maybe they'll call me Mensana. The legend of Mensana, and you know what happens when people think you are Mensana. Think we can go down from here? Let's try to go down now. Let's try to walk from here, bro. Maybe we can get a better view. Oh yeah, from here we can see there's some guys already there. Well, this looks like Sawdong waterfall. The water is not much, but still mesmerizing beauty. Some guys are having fun there down there. This is dangerous, man. If I fall to lie up. But still, I do have some skills. That makes me an adventurist. But my weight is a little heavy. I know. Wait, I have to off the camera. I just climbed this one. Oh, climbed down, I mean. That was life-threatening. Go fuck yourself. We have reached the down part of this. Very short down. This rock looks a little peculiar. This is how these things are coming out. I don't know what makes them come out like that. But you follow this. Goodbye freedom. This is one of the waterfalls under this stretch. The rainbow! I am heavy, man. I'm heavy, man. Can you be there? No, man, I'll die.
I'll pull you. There's no one at the back.
I ain't doing that, man. Oh boy, I had to climb this place. Oh, I'm never climbing like that again. Oh, these fellas almost killed me. Yeah, that happens when you try to climb rock and you have no experience in that.
बाहर उधर में
अपने आप
This is also known as Sawdong Fall.
Okay.
So there are two falls, one just below, which we have shown you earlier, and this is another one. Now you can see, because it's not raining anymore, so you don't see much water here.
But luckily we can walk, no?
Yeah, you can walk. But it will be better if you come here like 1 week after it rains.
Okay, let us find a way out of this waterfalls. And I'm not going down there the same way. Seems I'm too heavy.
Then I climb, man.
Yeah, I saw him also climbing, no? So nicely, no? Then only I did, otherwise never.
Waterfall. Lovely waterfall.
They're still laughing, I'll have to climb again. And with my heavy weights of almost 100 kg, it's not easy to walk or climb up. Climbing part is okay, but what if I slip and fall? Even a small fall will break my bones. Oh, okay, not. BAMPHLANG too. He says it's very tasty. My friend finds it creepy. But if you are used to eating it, no problem, no?
Tasty, see?
Of course, must be. They are full of protein.
Juicy.
Yummy, yummy, juicy, you see.
We are amazed by that insect, man.
Yeah, that insect was deadly. This fellow is saying if we cook nicely, we'll eat. I'm not eating that.
After all, it's meat only there.
The creepy meat. Hey, where are we going, man? We're supposed to reach there. Again, we are making our own way. The only thing I'm worried about is leeches. Of course, of snake also. Thanks to Gilu that we changed our way, otherwise we would have reached the other side. We have reached somewhere else, man. They're catching this. We are crossing the gold mine of MEGHALAYA, the caterpillar. Of course, we are scared. It's creepy to walk here. That is chicken. This is pork. And where is Teru's?